Break international law? Many international law experts say, yes, likely, based on the core UN Charter rule, no use of force against another state except A. UN Security Council authorization, or B. Self-defense. Reuters summarizes expert views that drug trafficking and gang activity are criminal matters and don't meet the armed attack threshold typically used to justify unilateral force, and notes the absence of explicit Venezuelan consent or UN authorization. Also, the administration's reported rhetoric about running Venezuela muddies any narrow law enforcement theory. It makes it look more like regime change occupation, which is even harder to square with international law. Break U.S. domestic law? Domestically, it's contested, not a clean yes-no. Key issues: Congress versus the president's war powers. Reuters notes, Congress was not notified before the operation, per Sec Rubio, and legal experts raise separation of powers questions. Limited action in national interest argument. Presidents of both parties have claimed authority for limited strikes under Article 2. If it becomes ongoing control, occupation, the legal risk grows. War powers resolution timelines, appropriations, explicit authorization. The more it looks like running the country, the weaker the limited rationale becomes. Do we have authority under law to seize a sitting head of state? U.S. criminal charges can exist. Indictments, warrants. Still, a criminal indictment alone doesn't create international legal authority to use military force inside another sovereign state. That's precisely the expert critique Reuters reports. Head of state immunity is another fault line. Even if the U.S.